we are pre-final year students of Baltic University, and this is our minor project. And its title is Online Access System for E-commerce. It is supervised by Dr. K. Rajesh Kambatar. I am Piyush Bhattrai, and my other two teammates are Abhishek Gairi and Samir Bhandari. In this PPT, we'll go through a list of agendas like abstract, objective of the project, introduction, literature review, some of the papers that we referred while doing this project, design and methodologies, standard and policy used, implementation of the project, testing of the project, input and output. We also included a demo video that is a YouTube URL, and in conclusion with future plans. Let's see the abstract. The popularity of electronic communication has led to the growth of online auctions, including the e-auction system that enables bidders and sellers to interact through a virtual platform. The use of blockchain and smart contract technology ensures high security, including secure payment gateways. A mobile platform developed using Flutter online auction, providing users with a seamless and intuitive interface, allowing them to browse through a vast collection of items, place bids, and track their bidding history. The application incorporates robust security measures to ensure secure transactions, and the bidding process is transparent and fair to all participants. The goal of this concept is to make it possible for anyone, wherever in the world, to host or participate in an auction. So, and the aim of the project is to provide a platform for buyers and sellers to engage in a competitive bidding for goods or services, to create a fair and competitive marketplace where prices are determined by supply and demand, to provide a transparent and open platform where buyers and sellers can communicate and interact with each other. So regarding the scope of an online auction system includes features like user registration, product listing, bidding, payment processing, communication, security, and analytics. Introduction. The online auction system is a web-based application that allows users to buy or sell items by posting them for auction. Bidders can register and bid for any available product, providing a global reach that overcomes geographical constraints. The online auction market offers several advantages, including low prices, greater product selection, and greater efficiency compared to traditional market. The use of the online auction system includes a decision-making assistant tool, which provides greater certainty for buyers when selecting sellers and products. So these are some of the literature or research papers that we referred while doing this project. We have included 10 research papers. So let's go through design and methodologies. In module 1, we have user module where we design the user interface, that is developing the UI, making it user friendly and easy to use. So these are some of the sample pictures of the application. You can see a modern login page, and users have numerous options to log in from using Gmail account or Apple account. But if they don't have any accounts, they can register and then log into the application. You can see the marketplace in the where in the selling page where the sellers can fill in the details of their product, and this is the profile page where the name of the user will be displayed who is currently logged into the application. So step 2 is developing the backend. So since it is a web application, we are using Firebase as the backend to manage all the auction creation, bidding, and payments. And we also are generating a PDF that acts as a trading token between buyer and sellers. So in step 3, we are going to store that file in the system. So in module 2, we are going to generate and validate the PDF. So since the PDF acts as a token between buyer and seller, only the winner of the auction will be able to generate the PDF. The PDF contains many important details like hash ID, name of the product, paid amount, and the winner. So that it provides a layer of security in the application. So this is certificate generation. You can see the certificates generated in the picture. I'll be showing you the original certificate later in the video. So this is the validation screen where the user can enter hash ID and the product name, and if the hash ID and product name match to that with the server, then it will show user valid and show the winner name and the paid amount. and if the user is not valid, it will say user not valid. So these are some of the standard and policies used. These are ISO standards. So let's see the diagrams, architecture diagrams. Here we can see sellers. They will upload and mention details of the product, and the bidders can bid the product that they want. In data flow diagram, we can see that the seller can log in, put some advertisement of the product they want to sell, and the product will be shown to the users. Product will be shown to the users, and the registered users can bid for the product. This is the use case diagram. You can see that sellers can list the items, close the auctions, and buyers can find items and bid for them. This is the class diagram for the application. So we'll have three main characters: admin, seller, and buyer. Admin will see manage all the login credentials, add buyers and sellers. Seller will list the products, and buyers will simply bid for the product. So first, the auction will start at a particular date that will be specified by the seller, and the countdown will start until the date is over. So either the seller will mainly specify two things: starting date and ending date. So if the ending date is not today, then the bid will continue. If it is today, then the bid will end. So this is the sequence diagram. We can see a data. You can see data entry that basically means sellers and buyers, the app, the file storage system, and the blockchain system for security purpose. Testing. We did mainly three testing: unit testing, integration testing, and functional testing. In unit testing, we tested some singular module like image uploading module and bid handling module to make sure that they are working correctly. And in integration testing, we tested two modules that that, that can combine together to form a functionality. Let's say from one page to sending data from one page to another. After sellers include all the details in selling page, that should reflect on market page. So that was also working fine during the testing. And functional testing is testing the app as a whole. So everything should work from beginning, from login, registration page, market page, profile page, everything should be working. And these are some of the input and output. So we'll see this later in the video in an actual app while I describe the code. This is the bidding process. Here you can see a example bid of a calculator, and all the bidders and IS bidder and IS bid amount are updated updated in real time. So every user will see the status of the auction at any time. So once the auction ends, it will show a page saying the auction has ended. Please click the button below to download the PDF. This PDF will only be generated by the winner. Other bidders cannot access this PDF. So after generating, it will be shipped to the winner's device, mobile device, and if the owner is not permitted, then it will show you are not permitted to download the PDF. So this is the validation section. Here we need to enter hash ID that will be provided to the winner of the auction in the PDF along with the one product, that is calculator in this case. So if this is valid hash ID and the valid product, then user valid. A dialog box will appear which says user valid and will show the winner and winning amount. So this is the demo video which we will not go through now. I'll show this later in the video. So in conclusion, I would like to say that the proposed system presents a significant improvement over the traditional system where people need to gather and wait for the auction, get to the venue on time. So it solves those kind of issues. Even during COVID times, when people were not able to gather in a place, this app could still work and an auction can be held to, to sell products. In future enhancement, we can use different machine learning algorithms, artificial intelligence to optimize bidding algorithms. and improve the overall user interface and experience. We can even add a layer of security using blockchain authentication system, using blockchain payment system for secure and transparent payment processing. So these are the web reference links, and these are the reference that we added, that we looked through while doing this project. So I'll show you the code now. So let's see the app first. So this is the app. When we launch the app, will come up across a onboarding screen. So this is to introduce the app to the user. So the code part for the onboarding screen is here. So here we have a array of 3 pages. So the onboarding screen contains 3 pages. So this is the first page, this is the second page, and this is the third page. So since it's an array, so it's going to be first 0 index, 1 and 2. So when we are on the second index, we'll see the button change to done. So when I click on done, we'll go to the market page. So this is the profile page. We'll see the code part. First, let's build the application in this emulator. Built by starting debug. That will debug the app and we will the app in this emulator. So let's wait for a few moments before the app builds. It will take 1 to 2 minutes for the app to build based on your project. Let's wait. As you can see, the app has built successfully. You will see this nice screen when the app starts. So once the app loads, we will see an onboarding screen. This is the introduction phase where this page will simply introduce the app to the user, giving a brief overview of the application. So there are 3 pages. These 3 pages are handled by this file named onboarding screen. So whenever we are on the last index, that is, this is the first index 0, this is 1 and this is 2. So when we are on the last index, we will see this button, next button change to done. So when I click on done, I'll simply go to login screen and this is the login page. So here we are putting an image. There is a logo of the college right here, and we are using size box to put this gap 35 into the gap between welcome to online option and this logo. So then we have our text field where the index user name here, and at another text field which is password. So all the values entered in this text fields will be controlled by password controller and email controller. We can even register if we don't have any accounts, but I will log in using my Gmail account. So I'll click on this account. So you can see the app loads. This is the market page where we can see 2 products that are listed already. So this is the sale page where all the details can be filled of the items that we are going to sell. This is the profile page and it shows my email account. So let's go to sale page first. We are here in the sale page. Here we are using all these controllers to control the input fields and timestamp to simply justify when the option will end. So first let's see, on top we have please fill in the product details, which is right here, and this text will control the product name. Similarly, this text will control the date picker. So the first is when did you buy the product. Let's say I bought the product on May 1. I also put some names. Let's say mouse, and condition is, let's say, brand new. I brought it on May 1 and the within, let's say, end on May 8 and on, let's say, 2 m 2 2 a.m. and on 2 minutes. Right now it's 1:58 minutes. I'll put this on 2. So I'll put okay and amount 20. So when I click on this button, the camera will load. So this is an emulator, so it won't have a real camera. So I'll just click on random image. I'll click this. Let's see the image is click. I'll simply tick and we have to fill all the details like mouse, brand name, date, when the option end, and everything. I'll add this to the market. So I added the product to market. I'll go to market, see where I get mouse. So nobody has bid because I just added the products. I'll put 21. So when I put 21, it says my name because I'm the highest bidder, and the highest bid is 21, which I just enter now. You can put 23. It will put 23. If I put 50, it will put 50. But if I again put 50, it won't allow because I have already entered 50. So we'll leave it for 1 minute and we'll come and check. So it's 2 now. I'll go on this. You can see it says auction ended and it provides a winner. So all this thing is done in product page here. So all the logic of the bidding is done here. So I'll show you the logic. So here it says if the amount entered by the user is greater than the highest bid, then we assign the highest bid to amount and we'll add the name and amount to our server. So it will be stored in the server. So when the auction ends, we are no longer able to do this. So the last saved name will be the winner of the product. So in this case, since I'm the only one who bid on the product, so I'm the winner with the highest bid of 50. So let's click on winner. So this page is handled by the winner page. So here let's see, we need name of the bidder who won the auction and the product name. So let's see, it says winner page in the app bar. App bar is this on top. It has elevation 0. Let me put this to 3 to give it a nice UI. So here comes a shadow with elevation 3. So center title is true, so the title will appear on the center. And in body we have a button which says generate PDF. It is right here. This thing is elevated button here. So if the currently signed user is the one who won the auction, then this part of code will be run. This part, which is a PDF, like saying congratulations, winner PDF. Please don't share this PDF with anybody. And the length of the column and width. I'll show the PDF later. But if the user is not who won the auction, so it will show a dialog box saying not honor, you are not permitted to download the PDF. Since I am the winner of the option, so I'll be able to generate the PDF. So let me go and click on generate PDF. When I click on generate PDF, it says PDF save to file. It gives me a link. So we'll go and check in that storage. Let's go to file manager. So internal storage on Android data here files, and this is the PDF that is generated. So it says it gives me a SID which is given by the blockchain server. This is the winner name, that is my name, and this is the item one, and this is the paid amount. So it says this PDF acts as a trading ticket between product owner and option winner, which is right here. Also, yeah, this PDF acts as a trading ticket between product owner and the option winner. Please do not share this PDF with anybody. It's written here, and winner PDF. It's written here. Winner PDF and congratulations is written here. So we can use this SID and item name to validate the user. Let's go to the app again. But first I'll load this. SID. So I can type it here. Q92DXF. So this is the SID. We'll copy. We are not able to copy, so I'll write it in another device. 3 items FN Q9DXF, and the item one is mouse. So now we can go and validate it in the app. So let's go to the app. Let's go back. Let's go to certificate validation section. So it says please enter the SID. I'll enter the SID 3XWSW 3 it's not 3X, it's 3RWSW 09FN 5Q92DXF, and the product on is mouse. When I click on validate, it says my name with the bidding amount. It says user valid, bid winner is my name, and winning amount is 50. So let's say if I put wrong hash, let's say I'll put name. It says user not valid. So if you put wrong hash, it will say user not valid. If you put right hash, it will say the winner name and the bidding amount. Since the hash is only available to the winner, no other person can access it, so there won't be any alteration in the PDF. So when I click on validate, it says my name because it's the right hash. If I click wrong hash, 602, and I click, it says user not valid. So this adds a level of security. Let me go back and try for other products. Let's see from mobile. Here also I'm the winner, but no one else took part in the auction. So if I want to validate this, I'll go on winner. Here it says the option is the winner is my name with a bid of 231. So let me generate PDF. I can go and I can check the PDF again. So I can click here. It will take some time to update. Just put back and click here again. So it says mobile and the paid amount in my name. So this is the SID. Again we'll check using this SID UT1ANG 3037 OPIMJ as I'll write this into my another device. G37 OPIMJ. So now I'll go and check here. UD1, UD1, 37 OPIM is a control of case and this is my name with the bidding of 21. Again here if I give wrong class ID it says user not valid. So this is the overall project.